What's up, guys? It is July the 2nd, 2026. This is the small account, $5,000 starting premium selling account. And as you can see, I took another trade without you. It was an accident. I had the wrong mic plugged in and I never tested it, so it had no sound. It was just a crackly mess. So I'm gonna have to just make a little recap. I literally did this just a little bit ago. I'll show you. MRVL field 9:45. It is 9:55 right now, so 10 minutes ago. This is what I wanted to do. I wanted to show you that MRVL is $274. I'd love to sell a put, like a naked put, around 220, a little under 220. Obviously, that would take 22,000 bucks. This is a $5,000 account. You can't do that. So you can use spreads, and I was just showing how to use spreads. And in this case, anything below 220 is the target. It's below the gap. That's kind of what we wanted to do. So that's what I did. I sold a spread, and I'm going to pull up the position. This is how you sell a spread. We sold a 220 put, and we bought a 210 put. That creates a spread of $10 wide, 220 to 210. That's $10 times 100 shares. That's $1,000 risk. That's a spread of with a risk of 1,000, but you get paid a premium. So right now, I'm actually up in this position a little bit now, but if you sold it right now, you get $281 on expiration if it stayed above 220. It's a risk of $719. So there's a little bit of a max loss is, a little more than what you can make, but that's how premium selling works because we have a lot of cushion right here from 270, almost 280 to 220. That's 60 bucks that it can move around over the next 50 days. That's what we're doing. We're doing a 50-day trade. And we're going to close this before 50 days. I'm planning to close it at 50% is my normal close rate. Somewhere around 50% profit we usually get out. So $140 if I was making this trade. But you can see buying power affected is pretty low. Um, Actually, it's still linked to my other account. So I have portfolio margin on a big account, so it only cost me $182. Since this is the small account, I'd have to flip it over. Do that. Okay, so you can see 719 is what the buying power would take for this trade. So you can do big stocks. You can do big stocks with a spread, and that's how you would do it because you can't do naked. It's too big a stock. But you can use spreads and do any size account. It just goes by the 220, 210, just the spread of whatever you're selling options on. So that's where we sit. SoFi, we're up $5. This is the wheel strategy. We did this one yesterday. This is 15 days to expiration. We're going to take this off at 50% profit or roughly. We're at 20.8 right now. And then we have MRVL, the trade from today. Right now we're sitting at $10, 288. So we're going to take that one off at 144. I mean, if we can. Uh, so that's where the account stands right now. And so have a happy 4th of July. The market is closed tomorrow, and we will be back next week. Or if I have to make an adjustment today, I will update you with that. So stay tuned, follow, and we're going to see what we can grow this small premium selling account into. Have a great weekend, guys.